Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy Mailchimp, full guide step by step clearly. To get started with deploying Mailchimp, first, create a Mailchimp account by visiting their website. Fill in the required details such as your email address, username, and password. Once you have completed your registration, log into your account. Next, familiarize yourself with the Mailchimp dashboard. Now, let's create your first email campaign. Head over to the Campaigns tab and click on Create Campaign. Choose the type of campaign you wish to send, such as regular campaign. Select the audience you want to target for this campaign. Design your email by clicking on the Design Email button. In the Email Designer, choose a template that aligns with your campaign's objectives. Customize the layout, colors, and images to fit your brand. Write compelling subject lines and preview text to capture your audience's attention. Once your email design is complete, click on the Confirm button to review your campaign settings. Set the schedule for your email campaign, choosing between sending it immediately or scheduling it for later. Review all of your campaign details to ensure everything is correct. When you're satisfied, click Send or Schedule to deploy your email campaign. To monitor your campaign's performance, return to the Campaigns tab after sending. Click on your campaign name to view analytics, including open rates and click-through rates. Utilize this data to make informed adjustments in your future campaigns. Explore the automation features offered by Mailchimp to streamline your email marketing further. Set up automations for welcome emails, abandoned cart notifications, or seasonal promotions. Continue to refine your audience segmentation to increase engagement. Regularly update your email lists to maintain high deliverability rates. Utilize A/B testing to optimize your subject lines and content for better performance. Stay informed about Mailchimp's latest features by checking their updates and resources. With these steps, you can effectively deploy Mailchimp to boost your email marketing efforts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.